Hello everyone, welcome back to the AWS DevOps Agent series. In our first video, we covered what AWS DevOps Agent is and its key components like agent spaces and the web app. If you haven't watched that video, I highly recommend you to first go and watch that video where you will cover the basics of the DevOps agents. And I'm going to provide the link of the video in the description below. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how exactly you can set it up your first agent space and get everything configured properly. By the end of this video, you will have a fully configured agent space ready for your incident investigations. In our upcoming video, we are going to take a live incident investigation and will show you the real power of this service. So let's get started. All right, I have logged in into my AWS console and will go to the AWS DevOps agent page. We will click on the begin setup and will provide the agent space name. Next, we need to create a role, and this role basically providing access to resources in this particular account to this agent space. So you have option that you can create this DevOps agent role. It can do it automatically, or if you already have, you can use that, or you can create one on your own. And if you want to do it, it provides you the whole instructions. So I want to show you that how the DevOps role looks like. So this is one of the role which I created earlier. It has the trust relationship that which resource can assume this role, and then the permissions. One is the AWS managed policy which is attached to it, and other one is the inline policy where you will provide that it can create the cases, describe the case, and few other action items for all the resources. If you want, you can control this resources as well. That if you want to get this action done on particular resources, you can do that as well. So for this demo, we are going to keep it as auto create. So the second role we are going to create is the web app role. This role is basically assumed by the operations team. Remember, we talked in our previous video that agent spaces are created by the administrators, and we have a role here which assumed by the agent spaces to access all your resources. And based on that, it will perform the analysis, the investigation. And web app is the space where your operation team will log in and access all the data or investigated data by this agent space. So this web app role comes in picture there, that when your operation team try to log into that web app, they assume this role to access all the investigation data performed by this agent space in the web app. So similarly to our agent space role, you can either create a auto create, or if you already have a role, you can use that, or you can create a role on your own manually, and it provide you all the steps. Again, it will provide you the trust policy which you're going to add it, and there are some bunch of actions and resources to whom you want to provide this access. For this video, we're going to use it auto create and click on create. It will take maybe less than a minute to create this agent spaces. All right, my agent space is successfully created. Next, what it's going to do that it will start analyzing your topology. It's going to go across your all the regions, and it will read all the resources in your account and the correlation between those two. It can take few minutes based on how many resources you have in your account. Based on that, it will read and create the topology. All right, so it take around a minute for me for my 1176 resources, and it showing you that what all resources you have. And if I go to the topology graph and select my containers, here you will see all the resources and how those are linked together. You can zoom out, zoom in based on whatever you need to see in that. All right, so now we have a fully functional agent spaces. It read your infrastructure, build a topology graph as well, linked, and learn how these resources are talking to each other or linked with each other. In our next video, we'll take a real world incident and we'll see how agent spaces will investigate that incident and provide you the root cause and the mitigation plan. So if you are not subscribed to our channel and not hit the bell icon for the notification, please do that. Whenever I upload my next video, you will get notified for that, and you can watch it. So thank you so much for watching, folks. Have a nice day. Bye.